guys, it's Michaela, and I'm going to be doing a collection that I have of slime and Play-Doh. So, and this is going to be very short because I have moments until my bedtime. So, first I have this slime that's starting to get a little bit, hard because I left it out. But I thought it was going to be, regular slime that would be hard, like icebreaker slime, but did not work out. So I'm just gonna mix it together. It gets really sticky sometimes, and really it doesn't get really sticky, but it gets really slippery. So I can stamp with it. Feels like it's a stamping slime, so I can stamp with it. So you can make it in any shape or size. It can be yeah. Then the second one is this powder dough. You can mold it, but it's in powder. It's in powder, not powder form right now. So I put food color in it, but it didn't cornstarch and food coloring do not mix. Another thing is I made a little bit too much of a batch, so I had to put it in another one, and this is what it looks like. And I'll just maybe I should just do this one because it's not filled all the way, so it's it gets messy because this girl made a dough and it wasn't sticky on her hand, but sticky at first, but hers worked because maybe she added the right dish soap, but it said that you could use any brand of dish soap. I don't know what happened, but yeah. So thanks for watching. Bye.